Good day everyone. I am Gozo Jimuer together with Jared Mendoza and Kim Smith Pitaliar. So today we will talk about the historical antecedents of science and technology in ancient period. So ancient period. Ancient civilization paved the way of advances in science and technology. These advances, the ancient period, allowed civilization to flourish by defining better ways of communication, one of the most important, the transportation, and also the self-organization and ways of living. So, one of the antecedent in ancient period is an ancient wheel. So, people from ancient civilization used animals as means of transportation. That is, wheel could be attached to a cart and the cart attached to animals. The invention of ancient wheel is credited to the Sumerians. So the invention of ancient wheel is credited to the Sumerian. The oldest known wheel found in an archaeological excavation is from Mesopotamia and dates of around 3500 BC. It has been claimed and that wheels were first used by potters. See this 5,500 years old wheels from Mesopotamia. It seems that it was a potter's wheel. Used the wheels of pottery making may date even farther back into Neolithic. It seems that the use of wheels for transportation only happened 300 years ago. So the second antecedent in ancient period is paper. So in as early as 3000 BC, the Egyptians had developed a technique for making paper from a pitch of papyrus plant. So a papyrus plant is scientifically known as Cyperus papyrus. It is a tall grass-like plant native in Africa. So the English word of paper comes from the word papyrus. So the Egyptians found the need to create paper due to the fact that writing on stone, ancient temple and caves has not fairly easy. So ang pagsulat sa mga bato ay hindi madali para sa kanila, kaya naisip nila na gumamit ng papyrus plant upang gawing papel at doon na lamang magsulat. So by creating paper, they were able to transcribe messages and publish important documents that could be carried and transported. This was better than learning how to write on potsherds, chunks of stone, and piece of wood, which would have took years to learn. Paper's first use included being used as a warp of precious items in ancient China, religious texts in ancient Egypt, and government texts in ancient Greece. So the third antecedent in ancient period is the shadoof. The shadoof is a tool used and invented by ancient Egyptians to irrigate land. It is hand-operated device used for lifting water. It is a long balancing pole which a weight on one end and the bucket on the other. The bucket is filled with water and easily raised then empty onto higher ground. Its invention introduced the idea of lifting things using counterweights. The fourth antecedent antecedents in ancient period is Antikythera mechanism. So the Antikythera mechanism is an oldest known mechanical calculator. It is constructed around 2nd century BCE and lost in a shipwreck very close to the small Greek island of Antikythera. So it is found in Antikythera. The shipwreck of discovered 2,000 years later in 1990s. The mechanism was recognized in the spring of 1920 as a geared mechanical device displaying calendars and astronomical information. The application of modern imaging methods to the surviving garments has led to general agreement on the basic structure of the device and its solar and lunar astronomical function. So the reading of the remains of its extensive inscription has shown that it was also intended to display and shifting position of the planets in the zodiacs. So the last antecedent in ancient period is the Eolipile. So Heron Alexandrinus, or Hero of Alexandria, as he was often known, was the first inventor of the steam engine, a steam power device that was called Eolipile or the Heron engine. The name comes from the Greek word Aeolus, who was the Greek god of winds. An Eolipile is a sphere that is positioned in such a way that it can rotate around its axis. Nacelles that are opposite to each other would expel steam, and both of the nacelles would generate a combined thrust resulting in torque, causing the spheres to spin around its axis. The rotation force speeds up to the spheres up to the point where the resistance from traction and air brings it to the stable rotation speed.
Antecedents in the Middle Age. Antecedents in the Middle Age heavy plow. The heavy plow turned European agriculture and economic on its heads. Suddenly, the fields with the heavy, fatty, and moist clay soils become dust that gave the greatest yields, explained Professors Thomas Verbeek Andersen of the University of Southern Denmark. Ang karuka or karuka ay isang uri ng mabigat ng araro na mahalaga sa medieval agriculture sa Northern Europe. Ginagamit ang karuka ng mabigat na bakal na bahagi ng araro upang gawing mabigat ang lupa at maaaring kailanganin ng isang pangkat ng 8 baka. Ang karuka ay mayroong ding coulter at moldboard. Binigay nito ang pangalan nito sa English, carucate. Antecedents in Middle Age gunpowder. In Chinese, gunpowder is called Hu Yao, meaning flaming medicine. Of gunpowder was quite accidental. It was first invented inadvertently by alchemists while attempting to make an elixir of immortality. Ang pulbura ay naimbento sa China noong unang milenyo ng AD. Ang pinakamaagang posibleng pagtukoy sa pulbura ay lumitaw noong 142 AD sa panahon ng Eastern Han Dynasty ng alchemist na si Wei Boyang. Nakilala rin bilang ama ng alchemy, ay sumulat tungkol sa isang sangkap na may mga katangiang tulad ng pulbura. Antecedents in Middle Age paper money. Paper money is an invention of the Song Dynasty in China in the 11th century CE, nearly 20 centuries after the earliest known use of metal coins. Paper money was certainly easier to carry in large amount. During the Tang Dynasty, 6 918 to 907 CE, merchants began to leave those heavy coins with trustworthy agent who would record how much money the merchant had on deposit on a piece of paper. Ang layunin ng papel na pera ay hindi lamang na mas madaling dalhin, ngunit pinahihintulutan ang mga mahalagang metal na dating ginamit para sa pera ng barya na magagamit sa ibang lugar. This paper is a sort of promissory note, could be traded for goods, and the seller could go to the agent and redeem the note of the coins. With trade renew along the Silk Road, this simplified cartage considerably. These privately produced promissory notes were still known through paper currency. Antecedents in Middle Age mechanical clock. During of the Middle Age, from 500 to 1500 AD, technological advancement was on virtual standstill in Europe. Sundial style evolved, but they didn't move far from ancient Egyptian principles. Ang mechanical na orasan ay kinakailangan ng mga tao na umaasa sa natural na kababalaghan, gaya ng paggalaw ng araw o sa mga gamit gaya ng hourglass o mga naka-calibrate na kandila. Noong ika-14 ng siglo lamang nagkaroon ng pagbabago sa mekanismo ng pagtunog ng kampana ng simbahan upang ipinanganak ang pinakaunang mga mechanical na orasan. Christian Huygens is the Dutch scientist made the first pendulum clock in 1656. It was regulated by a mechanism with a natural period of oscillation. Although Galileo and Galilei is sometimes credited with inventing the pendulum, and he studied its motion as early as 1582. His designs for a clock was not built before his death. Antecedents in Middle Age spinning wheel. The spinning wheel is an ancient invention used to transform various plant and animal fibers into thread of yarn, which are subsequently woven into cloths on a loom. No one knows for certain when the first spinning wheel was invented. Historians have come up with several theories. The ancient history of the spinning wheels was German author and science historian Franz Maria Pellhans traces the origins of the spinning wheel back to ancient Egypt. However, other historical documentation suggests that it's debuted in India between 500 and 1000 AD, while other evidence sets China as the point of origin. For those who accept the latter theory, the belief is the technology migrate from China to Iran, and from Iran to India, and finally from India to Europe during the late Middle Age and early Renaissance.
Antecedent in modern age. Historical period when people realized the importance of efficiency of transportation, communication, and production. Industrialization took place, but with a great risk of human health, food safety, and environmental. Antecedent in the modern age compound microscope. The invention of light microscope, an instrument that enable human eye by means of lens or combination of lenses to observe enlarged image to tiny object. It made visible the fascinating details of words within words. About 1590, two Dutch spectacle make Zacharias Janssen and his son Hans, while experimenting with several lenses in a tube, discovered that nervy object appeared. It took another 5,000 years or so before glass shaped into lenses, the first telescope. Hans Lippershey of Holland is the one who first invented the microscope. The telescope was introduced to astronomy in 1609 by the great Italian scientist Galileo Galilei. He went to discover sunspot from large moon of Jupiter and the ring of Saturn. His telescope is similar to opera glasses. It used to a range of glass lens to magnify object. Also, Galileo used the telescope to view the moon. Next is antecedent in modern age, Jacquard loom. The most probably don't think of weaving looms are fortuner of computer, but thanks for French silk weaver Joseph Marie Jacquard. Enhancement of automated weaving helped leads to invention of computer, punch card, and advent of data processing. In Lyon, France, Jacquard was employed in the factory, used his spare time to construct his improved loom. The loom was declared public property in 1806. Antecedent modern age also invented airplane. Orville and Wilbur Wright, the inventors of first airplane. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers launched the era of human flight. When they successfully test a fly vehicle took by its own power, naturally at even speed, dances without damage. Even before the Wright brothers took their first flight in 1903, other inventors had made numerous attempts to make like bird and fly. Among these early efforts, constructions such kite, hot air balloon, airship, gliders, and other types of aircraft. While some progress was made, everything changed when the Wright brothers decided to tackle the problem of man and plant. This led to invention of jets, are used both military and commercial airline. Jet fly much faster than properly powered aircraft and high altitudes. Two engineers, Frank Whittle of the United Kingdom and Hans von Ohain of Germany, are credited with the development of jet engine during the late 1930s. Antecedent in modern age, television. John Logie Blade was born on August 13, 1888 in Helshu Lodge, Dunbarton, Scotland, and died on June 14, 1946 in Bexhill-on-Sea, Sussex, England. Blair the best remembered the inventing a mechanical television during 1920. John Laird, American Clarence, with Hansel patented an idea of using array of transparent rods transmit image for television, facsimile, and respectively. The television pioneer created the first televised picture of object in motion. 1924, the first televised human face. 1925, and a year later, he televisioned the first moving object image at the Royal Institution in London.